Here we're doing an unboxing initial impressions of the Creative Outlier Pro. Really excited to be looking at these because they look like a really good pair of earbuds. So there's a package to start with the front, a bit more about it there, and some of the power-packed features, as they say there, which we'll go into shortly. But I guess you guys are keen to see what actually comes inside of it. So let's pop open the box and have a look. So start with, look at that. Don't those earbuds look fantastic? So you've got the earbuds there and the case just there. So let's start by looking at the earbuds themselves and take them out. And then we'll just look at the case and then see what comes in the box. So there are the earbuds there. Now, they look really, really nice. First of all, I love the size of them. Look at that. Don't they look beautiful? Got a lovely kind of mesh kind of, got a lovely matte kind of finish. I love the colors as well. And there's also the earbuds just there where the music comes from. Now, the earbuds themselves have a 60 hours playtime from the case being charged. Now, the earbuds themselves get 15 hours per charge, which I think is absolutely fantastic. 60 hours if you use them with the case as well. Obviously, you put them in there. But look at that just there. Now, they have very nice touch controls in there as well. You can use to change tracks, do the music. They've also got your active noise cancellation as well. So press a button, active noise cancelling works. And they've also got ambient aware, which means you press that to be able to hear the sound in the environment around you. Now, there's the earbuds just there. They've also got 6 mics in them too. Now, this means they're going to be very, very good for phone calls, crystal clear calling to hear people. I'm going to go and take out the charging case too and show you how that pops in. So here's the charging case, which I showed you earlier. Now, doesn't that look really nice? Really slim charging cable. You've got the USB-C charging cable there at the back, and you've obviously got the left and right earbuds. To open, just push like that and pop the earbuds in them like so. So I've got to make sure I get them the right way around. There, so see how they fit in there just nicely. And as you can see, they're trying to pair at the moment. That's the blue and red flashing on the earbuds. They're trying to pair in place, but with 60 hours with the battery, they're really good. Now, these are also wireless charging as well, so you could pop this charging case onto the wireless and they start working for you. They also do Alexa and Google and Siri assistants too, so you can use those on there too. And I'm going to go pop out and have a look at the box as well. So in the box, we've got, let's have a look at that, so open it up. So you've got the USB-C cable there. You've also got a bit more about the warranty and a bit more about how to actually use them and some of the key features with it as well. I also like how on the box they've put how to use it too. Very, very good presentation with these. The Creative Outlier Pro do look really, really nice. So go back to the actual earbuds themselves. Again, great presentation. Great looking as well. Comes with Bluetooth 5.2, and they say these have graphene-coated drivers in them as well. So got to test out what graphene-coated drivers actually means when we try them out, when we listen to music. But I'm sure it's going to make the music sound really good. They're also IPX5 Sweatproof too, so you can use them out running, out on a trek, and they'll work really well. So good. They're not very heavy as well. They feel light in the hands. That's how they are compared to my hand. And there's the earbuds there. Really nice, good-looking earbuds. Can't wait to try them out and put them on to see how they perform. But so far, the presentation has been absolutely excellent. I can see myself wearing these anywhere I go.